Oh yeah, Colin, do you have the whatever
Do
it's
I
called,
have your
civil
only
number
copy?
one?
Do I have your
No,
only
no.
copy?
I have
Grant,
copies of
can
everything.
you pass
Okay,
me?
good.
Never mind, I can make one.
Yeah, I
You have
do
the
have it
original
though.
complaint though that I gave Chase.
I believe so.
Okay.
Civil number 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Civil number one and then plaintiff number one.
Okay. Yeah, I have plaintiff number 1. Civil number 1's up here.
That's my that's the state's argument.
Got you. Here,
The
I'll
middle
give it
page
to
is
you.
blank though. No, I don't need it.
I think we should make the library of Markville, so we have all these on record, all these documents.
Well, I'll put the originals in so you can keep all
I want to
yours for your
explore this place a little bit.
private practice.
Someone let me in.
Wait, Chase is only allowed to stand.
Yeah, this is fucked up.
Wait, what about this table?
That's for the fucking prosecutors, bro.
There are
That's
none.
That's evil.
Okay. Is everyone ready?
Wait, I gotta turn up Mark. Alright.
I think Colin's opening statement.
Okay. Good morning, Your Honor. I've prepared an opening statement that I'd like to give. On June 23rd, 2022, my client, Walter S. Clemens, flew over Markville. It is my honor to prove that this flight had no harmful effect to the community of Markville, and that there should be no further there's no further cause to continue this injunction against gunpowder usage. Thank you.
Do you have any witness testimony?
Are we does anyone have any food? Okay. Okay. Actually, yeah, our first is the state gonna give any opening statements? Or does it matter? Okay. Do we have a stenographer? Is that our stenographer?
No, wait. No.
Who's this bitch? Get the fuck out of here! I'm gonna start fucking throwing hands with this bitch.
Hey, where's our fucking bailiff? Okay. Sorry. The state, alright. The state doesn't have any opening statements? Okay, then I guess we'll
No.
proceed. We'd like to petition the court to add Mr. Clemens' rocket to evidence. Submitted to evidence.
Okay.
Can I approach the stand?
Yeah.
Submit that
Got a
to
real
evidence.
strong arm on you,
Yeah,
boy. Got a real
evidence.
strong arm on you.
Okay. Okay, and to start our arguments, we'd like to call Master General, Dr. Master General, to the stand.
Okay.
It's an expert witness. So you go up there.
Wow.
You got it.
Put it
Go
up.
up to the little stand thing. Yeah, I'll take my book out of here. Now, Mr. General, what are your qualifications?
I should probably swear him in, shouldn't I?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead, sorry, sir.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, on pain of perjury?
Are you muted?
Adam, are you? I think you're muted.
I was
Adam.
fucking muted. Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Talk
now,
to you this entire time.
Mr. General, what are your qualifications?
I I am an expert scientist. I research and study gunpowder and its effects on the environment and individuals surrounding it.
Okay, now, how long have you been studying gunpowder for?
15 years.
15 years. Now, Mr. General, is gunpowder harmful? Let's get to the root of it. Is gunpowder harmful?
Yes, it can be.
It can be. So, what would you say? Let's take the primary use of gunpowder. TNT. Is TNT, for example, harmful?
Very harmful indeed, sir. Yes.
Very harmful. Yes, it is. Look at that. You can just see how harmful it is just standing here. Now, let's take a lesser known use. Rockets. Are rockets harmful?
They can be. Yes.
Can be. Very interesting. Now, let's take, for example, my client's Power 1 rocket. Would you say a Power 1 rocket is harmful?
A Power 1 rocket in great dosage can be harmful to the environment. Yes.
In great dosage. And what dosage would that be?
If Power 1 rockets are fired off multiple times within a range of 25 to 50 blocks, it can cause damage to individuals or the surrounding ecosystem.
Okay. And then this could not be sorry, so I was leading. Now, how about a Power 3 rocket?
Power 3 rockets they can be very harmful. They
Mm.
release much more gunpowder and much more power than a Power 1 rocket would. And these rockets have to be released, well, obviously one at a time. Releasing them in a great amount at one time would be ridiculous. It would cause like great damage to the environment.
Mm. Yes, well, of course it would. Well, now, oh, how did I redstone block it there? Anyways, how about a rocket? So when you say rocket, are you talking about in atmosphere in flight? Or are you saying launched off ground?
Atmosphere and flight, all rockets have they release less gunpowder because more of their energy is put into fueling the elytra itself. But
Mm,
when fired off on
mm,
the ground, these rockets cause great amounts of damage when they're fired off very
mhm,
rapidly in close proximity.
Yes, why of course, Now, may I lead the they wouldn't be jury. Could I bring the court's attention to the injunction is saying it's over emissions in the atmosphere above New Markville. May I just point that out?
Paragraph 1 of the
Yeah, paragraph 1
civil complaint.
of the civil complaint. I should believe that is. Yeah. Now, what would be the symptoms of gunpowder inhalation?
One would experience headaches, nausea, vomiting, really bad cough, just well, they'd actually might get some indigestion as well. It's very harmful. Could also cause multiple types of cancer. Very, very dangerous substance.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Question, Judge. Is
Yep.
cross-examination immediately after I'm done with the witness?
There will be no cross-examination.
Well, no cross. Fuck. Okay. Thank you for your time, Dr. Master General. You may now be seated.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. We would like to call Superwalter64 to the stand.
Okay.
Oh, damn, okay. I was starting to get a little sleepy there, Bort, let's get on this.
Alright. Your Honor, if you don't mind swearing him in.
Okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth on pain of perjury?
I keep it 99.
I would like the record to reflect that the witness answered in the affirmative.
Okay. Superwalter64. How long have you been a resident of Markville?
I think it was, about a week ago I moved in to the little summer house over there. I like it because they don't tax me, and I'm very
Okay. Now, would you say that's a week in Minecraft time or a week in real life time?
I'm a Minecraft timer first.
In Minecraft time? So would you say 7 night cycles?
Yeah, that sounds reasonable.
7 day night cycles. Okay. And Mr. Clemens, how long have you been using these? Well, sorry. Do you use gunpowder devices such as rockets?
Oh yes, of course. I mean, who
And-
doesn't these days? I mean,
and
only
how
way to
long have you
travel.
been using these?
Well, originally, I think it's been about a week too since I got my first elytra in the mail, and I've been using all that gunpowder, just blasting it off every which way. You know how it is.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Clemens, have you been diagnosed with cancer?
Not to my knowledge, no. I mean, it's been about 30 years since my last colonoscopy, so my prostate could be swelling quite a bit.
Have you been diagnosed with indigestion?
No, not really, except for the owl pellets every little while. But you know how that is.
Mr. Clemens, if I may remind you, I'm talking about diagnosis here.
Diagnosis?
No,
No, I haven't been diagnosed.
Mr. Clemens, have you received any diagnosis in the last 7 days?
I have not received any diagnosis. No, back in my day, what my grandfather and my pop would do
Mr. Clemens, Mr.
is
Clemens.
he is
If we can focus on the task at hand.
well he would come into the room and he'd make
I'd like
me
to
smoke a
clarify.
pack of cigarettes.
Yes, Your Honor.
When you asked if he had any diagnoses,
Mhm.
what'd you say? Diagnoses? What'd you say?
Diagnosed.
Diagnose. Okay.
Now, Mr. Clemens, on June 23rd, 2022, did you fly over Markville?
Yes, I did actually. I flew right overhead.
Now, where did you land?
I landed right on Freedom Street, in front of my good friend Mark.
On Freedom Street?
Yeah, the mayor of Markville. Mark was
Yeah.
there, and I was standing with him.
Okay. And when you landed, what was the first thing you do when you landed?
Oh, well, I went up to him and I had asked Mr. Mark if he had had an elytra.
Now, did you offer Mark any elytras?
I did actually, one from my own collection over at Waltazon.
So this is a Waltazon elytra. This is property of Waltazon, correct?
Yes, yep.
Okay. Then how would you say that altercation went?
I went and got him a elytra and he gave it back to me. He had said that he did not like the emission.
Let us not speculate on what Mark said. No hearsay or anything.
Okay, well then I said he'd have to pry. My gunpowder goes light on my cold dead hands and then I flew away. I just simply flew away. It's something I would do. It's something I do every day in the valley.
Now, did you release any fireworks on the ground?
Around my house, I did unleash a few fireworks, and I remember actually saying that he should be lucky because I would have blown his shit all fucking up, and he's lucky that I just used some fireworks.
Now, was this around your house or on your property?
I mean, some of it was around my house, but some of it was on my property.
Anyways,
I just don't see the problem with firing off these fireworks. I just really don't.
Okay, let's just wait. Let's just calm down. Now, were you
'Cause I can
using?
kill I have enough.
Hey, whoa! What power rockets were you using, sir? Sorry, what power rockets
I
were you
was
using?
gonna say I could kill everybody in this building if I wanted to, including myself.
What power rocket?
Oh, it was just a Power 1 rocket.
Okay, Your Honor.
If I wanted to kill everybody, I
Your
wouldn't
Honor,
do
a
it with
petition for
gunpowder.
recess.
Granted, I guess.
Okay, 5-minute recess.
Ugh.
Follow me, Walter.
Did we do good there, sport? Let's go.
Walter, follow me.
That's down to the jail, so I'm not.
Why is the jail cell connected to the courtroom?
Yeah, you were
Walter.
stretched out on this table. How do you even do that?
Walter,
Flashlight.
follow me. Walter, follow me. We need to talk. We need to fucking talk.
Flashlight. All right, Bucko.
Hey, just sit down. What the fuck was that? Why didn't you just answer the goddamn questions? Why did you start going on rants?
I was under oath. I had to be honest with how I
But
was.
you didn't have to say all that. Just because you're under oath doesn't mean you need to tell them everything.
How I've always been. My lawyers have just been good enough to get me out on it. I mean, unless you, I thought you were some high-class business lawyer. You should be able to do this for me.
The prosecutor is the main witness.
The prosecutor is the main witness.
Okay. Well, no, we still have to call him to the stand. It's fine.
Back in my day, what we'd do is we'd bribe them or murder them, and if not,
This isn't 1920 anymore.
the town would be. I'd have Drinky on my side. I'd have him go kill people high. I'd have him high off drugs, and I'd have him murder people.
Let's just wait for the fucking judge to get back, and so we can continue this.
Judge, please wait for a minute. I've been trying to write something this entire time.
Can I sit here? So still be sitting here. All right.
Yeah. No, you're still on the stand.
I mean, I got some backups. You see this, right? I got some kickback on me.
That you do.
So what do you have next, Colin?
I'm still interviewing. He's
Okay.
Chase is still on the stand.
Then I'll ask questions of counsel as a supplement to a cross-exam.
So is that legal?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Nice. Let me, Walter.
Yeah, yeah.
If he were to step on his own pressure plate, we wouldn't really be the ones setting off the explosives.
Right.
I have to hand you something. Don't let him see this. I have to give you something. No, don't go in there. There's a lot of illegal things in there. I can't believe they didn't pat me down before I came in here. Here, take this. Shh, shh, shh. Take it. Actually, here. Take this too. If the courts would like to reconvene, I think this has been about a recess.
Adam, are you ready?
Second. I'm ready, sir. Mr. Colin LT.
Yeah.
I believe you were looking for this. I have just made my report final in public.
Okay, cool. You know what? We'll submit this to evidence.
Your
We'll
client
submit this
has
to
oh,
evidence.
sorry.
We
the
have
entire-
Get back in there.
we have
Okay.
your
Okay.
we already have your fucking what's it called?
argument. Testimony.
We already have your shit on record, so I don't know if we necessarily need it, but
Oh, that is
like
the entire.
I'll also like to submit this to evidence once we
It is
continue.
my public study of the gunpowder effects on humanity.
You want to
Be
submit something?
Not. Yeah. Actually, are we reconvened?
Okay.
Okay.
Order,
Didn't some
I
drank.
guess so. Let me see.
So we'd like to petition to court to submit GP plus rocket study by Dr. General to the record. This mainly just covers what he said and validates it further.
Do you want me to read any of it,
Um,
like in particular?
I might call upon it near the end, but I think we're good
Okay.
for now with this. We'll continue this line of questioning. Mr. Walter, you awake? Hey, wake up! One sec, he's. Okay. Mr. Walter.
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Walter.
That's funny.
How long have you been exposed to gunpowder in your life?
Well, ever
Because
since.
you mentioned your family often using gunpowder, correct?
Oh yeah, so my father's factory used to have giant smokestacks, and he would
And-
make me go up and clean them myself on the weekends.
And you seem pretty healthy, no?
Oh yeah, I'm quite healthy. Yes, an
Yeah,
85-year-old
see?
man. I'm quite healthy. I can get up and do a little jig.
Okay, well I think that's all we need. Now, we'd like to call Mark, all high and honorable marks to the stand.
The stand?
Yeah, you have to question you. You're a witness
That's
to the
unworth the
event.
die. Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, change
Yeah,
it
off
out.
my robe.
You have to- Yeah, how are we gonna know
Okay,
that
I'm
this actually
prepared.
happened? Because I witnessed. No, Mr. Mark Lemaine. Mark L. Magne. Mr.
Sure, yeah.
Mark L. Magne. On June 23rd. What was your interaction with my client, Mr. Clemens? Sorry.
Well, I believe he flew into town. Then he landed near me. Then he fired off. Well, we had some sort of conversation. Then he fired off anywhere from like 5 to 10 rockets in an interval of about 1 second.
Okay. And where were these rockets fired off?
On the ground.
On the ground. Even though this directly contradicts my plaintiff's under oath statement that he only used them in flight.
That's cap. You lying.
Your
I only fired them off
Honor,
in the sky.
and may I remind you, Mark Lamagne, my plaintiff put it on God.
I put it
Oh.
on God.
So. Oh
stop.
fuck! You know why? You know why he's lying? Because we never swore him in. Mark Lamagne,
Oh,
do you swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God by fucking perjury.
Yeah, yes.
Now, Mark, what happened on June 23rd, 2022?
I'd like
No,
to
you're
enter into
under
the
oath.
record the same testimony I just gave. I'm not going to repeat all of it.
It's not a valid testimony because you weren't under oath.
Okay, fine. Well,
But we all get what you mean. You know, we're getting what you're putting down. Now, Mark Lamagne,
He's
are you saying my
lying.
client's lying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a liar.
Now, did you observe any gunpowder residue?
I don't think I have the qualifications to do that.
Yeah.
Good point, go on. Now, Mark, how long have you been living in Markville?
Since its creation.
And how long ago was that?
The dawn of time.
The dawn of time.
In Markville, we record time by the creation of Markville.
Got you. Okay. So, outside of that, when would you say? About approximately 2 weeks?
In Valley time, yeah, 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay. No, in the last week, have you been diagnosed with anything, such as indigestion or any other?
I haven't been tested.
Haven't been tested? Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Wait, that's not the jury. Now, Mark, I need to ask you something very important. Was Mr. Clemens firing off rockets off the ground and not in flight? And remember, put it on God.
To the best of my knowledge, yes, he was.
No. And
On God, yeah.
to the best of your knowledge. What do you mean by that? Is there any doubt in your mind that what you're saying is not true?
No.
There's no doubt. So what you're saying is 100% true that he was firing rockets off the ground.
Yes.
He's capping.
Whoa, the fuck? Do we have a sexual harassment case now too? What the fuck?
Hey, Mark. Hey, fucking Mark, come out here and
Okay,
stand like
we're
a man.
finished
Get your
questioning.
fist
We're
out.
done with questioning. We're done
You
with
walk the
questioning.
fuck out here. Walk the fuck out here now.
We're done with questioning. We're done with questioning. We'd like to make our final statements.
You walk the. Ah! He set off his trap. He set off his trap. I blew up the seaside.
Oh god, this isn't looking
I
good.
told you I'd blow shit up.
Okay.
This ain't no game,
Look
Mark.
at my client, dog. I'm going to collusion. What the fuck?
Ah! Ah!
Murderer! Oh my god!
Murder! I just saw that.
We have a murder! Oh my god! What the fuck? He just
Okay,
Ah!
closing
murdered.
arguments.
He was not proven guilty at all. He just murdered.
He
Just
fucking blew up the building.
Mark, arrest him! Arrest him!
I'm
Arrest this
sorry,
man.
Adam. You follow me
Arrest
down
this
here?
man!
Oh,
Oh fuck!
Oh, there's nothing I can do.
Hey, I have.
Oh shit!
Hey, Grant, help us serve justice.
Wait, what do I gotta do?
Teleport him to me.
No, wait.
Teleport Master General to me. Justice must be served.
I'm still out here. I'm not dead yet.
Oh, wait, wrong one.
Yeah. And then call it T. No, don't.
Grave robbery! Grave robbery!
How do I do it? Wait.
Oh shit!
Hey! Oh!
He slashed on me, bro. This guy's combat logging too. Hey, do we have witnesses on this? We have 2 witnesses. We have Zach and Grant.
Leave my things alone.
Combat logging and the murder.
Leave
of
my-
Chase.
Oh my god.
Someone get a doctor.
Hey,
Listen,
we
we
gotta
have
break
to
this
serve
up. We gotta break
justice.
this up.
Go to prison. Go to serve your sentence.
I need a doctor.
You got the
I'm
put on
dying.
Colin. Oh, you do. Thanks, Colin.
I need a doctor.
Oh fuck! Hold on, I dropped my sword. Where's my sword at? Let me get my sword real quick. Where's my sword? Oh, Chase, can you drop my sword?
Here you go.
Okay.
Can someone give me a doctor though?
Okay. Well, I can no longer
Ow.
serve justice.
I'm also a doctor.
No, you're not. You're a criminal.
If you don't,
CPR.
still watch this. Watch this kid. Watch this kid, brother.
You
Okay.
killed the man.
Give me CPR.
Oh. And he killed me too.
Move.
Oh.
Move. I need to save him. Move.
He just killed a peace officer. Hold on, I need to get my loot out of him.
Hold on, here you go.
He just killed a peace officer. That's fucked.
What is wrong with this town? What is wrong with the
Why is
world?
the fucking shoreline laced in TNT?
Because I fucking blew his shit up.
Fuck, dude. Fuck my case. I have a new case at hand. I'm deleting my entire book and quill. I'm making a criminal charges against the
Case.
Master General.
Can I finish my closing statement, Mark?
These are yours, by the way. Case. This is yours.
Dang, he blew the back out of
Also-
this thing.
Shut the fuck up.
I blew
Okay,
the back.
closing statements. Closing statements.
No, let me do
my.
my closing statement.
I don't think that's how it works. I don't think that's how it works.
Colin, would you like to respond to the book Plaintiff Number 1?
Plaintiff number 1. Sure, I have plaintiff number 1 right here. What do you mean respond to it? Fucking.
Just the first page, since we don't have another.
Oh yeah, text it. Now, may I show to the courts that this book is claiming that he released gunpowder into the atmosphere, noting Dr. General's statements, the criminal Dr. General's statements, that
Objection, hearsay.
what? You were literally on the record. What are you talking about hearsay?
I'm getting a phone call. Hold on.
Okay. Well, we'll continue.
Hello?
Okay. We'll continue. But noting that it is not harmful in the atmosphere if it's power 1, and looking at the evidence that he was using power 1, and knowing that they're not harmful in the atmosphere at power 1, I say this is a whole bunch of baloney, because this only is charging him for atmospheric problems
That marks a
and
fraud.
gunpowder or rockets released from the ground only go to ground based on General's it causes a lot of harm to the ground, right, based on Mr. General, Dr. General's fucking
I'm not fixing the shoreline.
Dr. General's testimony. So I really think based on this there is no evidence to convict my client on atmospheric harm, we really just gotta play what the charges he's given, and his charges are atmospheric, not land based. And can I give my final statements?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, even though there is no jury, as I've proven, based on the evidence, there's no reason to believe that Walter Clemens releases a significant amount of gunpowder into the atmosphere for it to be harmful. May he ever release some gunpowder into the ground? Sure.
Hey, hold
And
on, wait,
may he
I
have lied on stand?
Jeez.
Sure. But remember, he put
need
it
to wake
on.
him up again. I
Come
need to wake up.
back!
I was waking him up. Just waking up. Just waking him up.
You know why I'm laying down like this? Because you're sleeping on me.
That is yeah. I think I said everything I want to say. I lost my train of thought. He has done no atmospheric harm, ground harm maybe, lying under oath maybe, but again he put it on God 1, and 2, you know. Oh no, God, you know, and this is all happened. And closing statement done. I conclude this. Wait, what's it called? I petition the court to conclude fucking
Almost
this
time to
part
get home.
hearing.
The
Conclude
case
the
is
hearing.
submitted.
Yeah, submitted it. Fuck. Okay, now you're gonna use your rockets. You can't submit to evidence now, bitches. He's a free man.
I've got to be home for dinner.
You can use your
Hey,
rockets.
hey,
when you
Mark,
want.
do you want to search the air missile to fire upon this guy?
In air. I need to get a prosecutor in this
I'm the
town.
prosecutor.
Actually, what?
Wait, can I
yeah,
actually be the prosecutor?
I would like to. I'd like to submit a resume to be a prosecutor. That'd be pretty chill.
Bro, we need Nick Glon so
Bro,
bad.
you're literally a criminal. You literally killed the man before he's even ruled guilty. What's your proof? What's your proof?
He
You have to go
severely
through-
injured me. He
What do you
severely
mean what's your
injured
He was
proof?
me.
no threat. He was no threat
Mark,
to your life.
Mark stepped
He
off
was
of
no
the.
threat. He was.
Mark stepped off
Adam,
of the judge's
Adam. He
podium.
was no threat to your life. He was no
He
threat to your
was. He
life.
was a threat.
He was-
Yo, is
he
this
was
the
no
McDonald's Play Center?
May I remind you guys, Super Walter was at no threat to your guys' life. He was only at threat to the shoreline, which no one was near.
I didn't even blow anything up. That's kind of cracked. I placed that perfectly.
Wait, Mark, what the fuck?
What's up?
How did you just? Oh, you're below me. Oh,
Oh,
I thought you got there from the judge's stand.
Mark, can I submit a if I write up a criminal indictment, can I submit it to you?
yeah.
Okay.
I don't know the format for a criminal one.
Yeah. I think I'll just copy the civil one, but make it criminal.
That was all in good fun.
But when is that court case going down? Is that not today?
Is that the completion of the case?
I think it's the completion of the case. Yeah.
Alright.
I'll need some time to rule on it. I need to write it out.
Actually, I'm gonna make this in like a Google Doc.
I'm out of